What do you want? What are you looking for? Yeah, what do you want? That's exactly what I ask the members of my 99% Done For You program, or anyone who wants to join my program. But before that, they ask me, how can I make money? How can I retire my parents? I want financial freedom. I ask them this question, what do you want? Oh, I want money. I want to make money. Then I ask them, where is the money now? Well, the money is in promotion, in conversion, in website, in affiliate marketing, in everywhere, in the air, in the wind, and in the ocean, in the sea. No, my friend, it's a simple question. Where is the money now? Money is in other people's pocket, and it comes to your pocket when you give them something they are ready to buy right now. Either it's a need or it's a want. They want to buy it now. Okay. Mosh, where are they? They are watching videos on their phones, social media. You go make videos they want to watch, they will watch your content. Then you follow the rant system, the 3-line system, the TAP system. They will follow you and they will eventually buy from you. But there is a big fat but. They also need to trust you before they buy from you. This video is the training video for my 99% Done For You members. And in case you are not in the program yet, go to this website, moshbari.com, or scan this QR code and watch this full training video. This training video has 2 parts. In the first part, I will transparently show you what we do and how we help beginners earn $500 commissions. Tons of our members made $500 commissions and even more. And on the second part, I will explain what my program is and I will try to sell it to you. I mean, yeah, really, I would like to charge you money for my program. And if you want, you can just pay the fees and enter. If you have questions, you can always find me on Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Just ask me questions. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. So I want you to know about the program completely, transparently. Ask me 100 questions. Make sure you understand everything. And I want to make sure you trust me before you get into something. All right, advertisement over. Now let's get back to training. If you are watching this from YouTube, you're welcome. This is a paid training, but you are getting it for free. Before I start, 2 main chapters. Without these 2 main chapters, high ticket sales is almost impossible because these 2 will build trust. All right. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video. Okay, here is you and you are sad. I mean, sad like this. And money is right here. You want to go and take this money. So where is money? Money is in other people's pocket and they are also sad. When they buy something from you, you will be happy, and you give them what they want, they will be happy too. Now, how do you find these beautiful people? You put out content or videos that they're watching. And for that, you can use our rant formula and make easy peasy videos. Basically, while watching other people's videos. Now, you know what this little piece of content will do for you? It will open up options for comment. People will watch your content or videos and comment on your videos. And they will comment whether you ask them or not. You can always ask them, hey, you want to know more? Comment your keyword in the comment below. Or you can just say something controversial and they will hate you. Or whether they love you or not, they will just debate. You got the point. You want to open an option to write a comment under your content. Some will DM you. They want to know more about you. They want to know more about your program that you're promoting. They just like you, and some will DM you just because they like you and start a conversation. And some will try to sell something to you. In either case, some people will DM you. Some people will just follow your CTA, which is also called class. We have covered this before in another module. C stands for comment and chat. L stands for like. A stands for action. A stands for save. And S stands for share. So this is your CTA class. There are usually nothing else as CTA. You can ask for 1, you can ask for 2, you can ask for all. You want them to take a class. Finally, one of the most important that people think, which is not the most important in terms of high ticket, and that is link in the bio. In the past, link in the bio was the best. Right now, too many people are saying link in the bio, and too many people are automating the other processes. So the trust is all-time low. Yes, people click your link, follow your funnel. What happens next? If they click the link in bio, they go and watch a webinar video similar to this video. This video has education, and at the end, it also has sales materials. After watching the webinar, two things happen. Some people will actually watch the webinar and decide to take action then and there. Fortunately, this is what we want, but unfortunately, this doesn't happen pretty often these days because of the trust factor I just shared with you. So a lot of people who are aware of this flow do not immediately want to take action. They want to check. So instead of buying immediately after the webinar, they go out to click some links and do something else. And at that time, your email automation will do the FU for you. So what is FU? Mosh, how dare you say this? That's so bad and rude. No, that's so good. FU means follow up. Yes, it is an adult word. It's only for the grown-ups. Kids will not understand the value of follow-up. So yeah, it is FU. And your automated email sequence will do the FU. After enough FU, they will either buy or they will go and DM you. They will ask for more information. They want to speak to you. They want to make sure that you are the right person who is sending them email. You are the right person who is hosting the webinar. You are the right person who they should buy from. This link belongs to you. This content belongs to you. You are the right person they should be dealing with. Once they are happy, from DM, they will go and buy. Now, Mosh, what is DM? DM has multiple meanings. One of the meaning is desire to move forward. A person only DMs you when they are ready to move forward. So DM is a sign of trust or sign of desire to build trust on you. So this is serious, and that's why I put orange color on it. Now the second thing, what happens with the comment, when people comment saying, hey, I want more, give me more info, or use the keyword you asked them to use in your content, then it's your obligation to send them a DM. First, you reply to the comment and say, hey, I sent you a DM. Then they will check their DMs, and DM should be already waiting for them. Now the CTA or class, whatever it does, it opens up an opportunity to start a DM. So if they liked your content, follow your account, or they clicked the link in the bio, or did whatever, they have a desire to move forward. So at some point from these actions, they will come and DM you. And of course, after clicking the link in the bio, if they're happy or they're not happy, they can DM you. DMs take you very close to close a sale. So now you understand the power of DMs? Okay. Now there is another type of content. It's not exactly a content. It's called story. I want to highlight it as yellow because it is also a kind of content, but it's a special kind of content. These content, the regular rant videos, work for your marketing to spread the word, go viral, introduce yourself to new people, people that you never met, people who don't know you. And also this content work as FU, follow up. Your followers watch this content and it works as follow up for them. So content works both ways. However, stories only work with follow up, because stories are only available to your followers. So every time you put up a story, it works as follow-up. Stories remind you to your followers that you exist, that you have something new for them, that something exciting is going on in your life that is also relevant to them. Something to remind them that you are the go-to person in order to achieve what they want to achieve. And it's rare when people take action directly from stories or click the link in bio or do anything silly like that. People straight go to your DMs from stories asking for more information. Or here is the trick. We use this trick every single day and we print cash on demand. We send outbound DMs to our story viewers. Isn't this amazing? These outbound DMs are not cold DMs. These are not the people who don't know us. These are the people who know us very, very well. They check our content every day. They check our stories every day. These are serious followers. And when we send them DM, we do not send them DM to sell something immediately. In fact, we DM them in a way that we don't even know what to sell. We just say thank you. Thank you for following us. Thank you for watching our content. And we end with a question. Are we doing a great job? Is our content helping you? Are we ultimately helping you achieve what you want to achieve? And this starts a conversation, a very friendly conversation. And oftentimes they end up in sales. Your content already did the pre-selling. Your content already built the trust. DMs and conversations are the last step for your audience to trust you. I will go to every nitty-gritty of all the pieces separately. But from here, I basically wanted to cover the whole funnel flow. This is how the money funnel moves in our system. We know this works and we know exactly why it works and how it works after using this to make over $1 million in approximately last 1.5 years. Now I'm going to write what is done for you in our program. Let me use a different color like purple color. The email follow-up sequence is completely done for you. This webinar is completely done for you. Something you can sell and make 50% commission like a full partner is done for you. This link in the bio and this funnel flow is done for you. DM training and a complete DM sequence is completely done for you. You can even copy paste in DM conversation. On top of that, this DM is also AI powered. I don't want to go into all these details because it will be a 1 hour long video. The only 1% that a member needs to do is the content and the story. And the reason for that is that every person is different. I'm different and I speak differently. You are different and you speak differently. We have different types of values to share to the world. Your content has to be separate than mine because you don't speak like me and I don't speak like you. So we have a full course to teach how to create content. We have a complete A to Z course, weekly Q&A calls, and a community group where you can find me to answer any questions you have anytime. If I'm not available for any reason, my team is always available. On top of that, we continuously do research to make this content creation easy peasy. We also introduced completely AI-made content that also build trust, go viral. One of our guaranteed to work content system is Rant, that literally anyone can make content while scrolling their phone. So yes, if you're still on the fence, don't wait. This video is free to watch. No one will ask you to pay money for watching this video, and this will give you full information about our business system transparently. So what is stopping you? Go to this website, moshbari.com, watch this video, or scan this QR code to watch this video and learn the full information. And of course, if you have any question, ask me in the DM, my Instagram DM. Trust me, DM is meant for building trust and making sales, but I am not a salesy person. I use DM to tell the truth, give all the info that you're looking for, and build trust with you, make friends with you. Don't let anyone stop you from watching a single video. That might potentially change your life. Now, our next modules will cover how to use DM and how to use stories to make sales and make money, even if you have never done this before. And you don't have time and you have absolutely no experience. Amazing? Let's go. If you liked this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.